honor for me to be sharing the platform with Mr. Michael Ferreira. As I have often said, that acting is a career you can fake your way through your life and sometimes still be called great. And the reason I admire sportsmen unreservedly is because that is one field where you cannot fake your way through life. There you have to make the cue meet the ball, so to say. And thank you, sir, for sharing this dais with me. And I wish to congratulate Satyan on this marvelous achievement of actually getting a book out. I have been trying to write a book for the last 10 years and I've managed to get up to page 61. So I think it's quite an achievement. And when you read the book, you're going to know what is it goes on in the minds of these doctors actually, you know. When they act so cut and dried and professional and tell you stop smoking and stop drinking and your cholesterol is going high and your bones are creaking and so on. There's something else that's going on in their heads all the time. And a bolt of lightning will give you some clue as to what goes on in Satyan's head.
The idea and indeed the inspiration for writing this novel occurred to me around 4 years back as I was exploring the less frequented parts of Goa. Fond though I have been of writing all my life, at the beginning I simply did not appreciate the magnitude of what I had undertaken. In all my naivety, writing like a hurricane, I treated it as an amusement. I jotted down 10,000 odd words based on the idea, and quite unabashedly so, I sent them off to dear Naziruddin Shah Saab to assess.
I have known Satyan for many years, so we've grown into very, very good friends, very close friends of the family, and I never suspected for a moment that there lurked within this extremely competent doctor a talent which was struggling to find expression. And when he came and said, I'd like you to go through a book that I'm writing, you could have knocked me down with a feather. I said, book, Satyan, what's it about? Something like Grey's Anatomy? He says, no, it's a book. So I said, oh, well, okay, let's have it.
पहला सेंटेंस बड़ा आसान था, उसके बाद दूसरा वाला जरा मुश्किल। क्यों? To follow it up, क्योंकि वही डिसिप्लिन की बात है। राइटर, मैं बहुत एडमायर करता हूँ राइटर्स को, और मैं अपने काम में भी मानता हूँ राइटर की कंट्रीब्यूशन सबसे ज़्यादा अहम होती है। अगर जो भी अच्छे परफॉर्मेंसेस हुए होंगे किसी भी एक्टर से, वो इस वजह से हुए कि वो लिखाई बहुत अच्छी थी उन रोल्स की या उन सीन्स की। तो इसीलिए सिर्फ एक्टर्स को इस बात का सेहरा नहीं जाता। बहुत ही मुश्किल काम है, मैं समझता हूँ, लिखना और कॉम्प्रिहेंसिवली लिखना और एंटरटेनिंगली लिखना, तो it's a real task in itself. But I'm not at all surprised क्योंकि that a doctor has written a book and it's not about medicine, because I think there is a close connection between science and between art of every kind. A lot of writers whose books were made into films by Hollywood ended up being very upset with Hollywood, and because Hollywood has a habit of turning anything into pulp. Even serious literature. I mean, they actually attempted to make a film of James Joyce's book Ulysses. So they can do anything. I do hope that somebody options this book as a film, because it's very off-center and it's very fantastical. I see a lot of allegory in it. It'll need a master filmmaker, and there are not too many of those around.